Hello everyone, how are you all? I wish you a very happy birthday to the students who are celebrating their birthday. This is the continuation of Class 6 IIT Foundation measurement video. So let's start. So now we are going to discuss worksheet 2. So look at the questions which are left part of the window. So the first question is a rectangular slab of volume 12 centimeter cube. So here volume is given. So volume V is 12 centimeter cube. The length and breadth is 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So here length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So what we have to find? We have to find what is the height of the rectangular slab. So we know the formula of volume. Volume is equal to length times breadth times height. So here we should find value of h. So rearrange this formula as V divided by length into breadth as height. Now substitute the values in this equation. So as the volume is 12, 12 divided by length is 3 times breadth is 2, which is equal to height. Therefore height will be 12 over 6, which is 2 centimeter. So the answer is option A. If you get the same answer, let me know through the comment. Coming to second question, which is 1 liter is equal to dash. So this liter we have to convert into meter cube. See here, all the options are given in meter cube. So let's find the value of 1 liter in meter cube. So liter is the unit of volume. So generally we measure liquids, volume of liquids in liter. So volume of liquid is measured in liters, milliliters. So let's convert 1 meter is how many? Sorry, 1 liter is how many meter cube? So can I write 1 liter as 1000 ml first? Right? We know this. And we have a relation, that is 1 ml liquid occupies 1 centimeter cube volume. That means 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Now tell me 1000 ml is how much, my dear? Which is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Am I correct? Yes, very good. So now let's convert this centimeter cube into meter cube. So 1000 times 1 centimeter cube is 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. So then finally you can write this as 1000 can be written as 10 power 3 times 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. You can solve this very easily, which is 10 to the power 3 minus 6 gives you minus 3 meter cube. This is your answer. Hope you also got the same answer. So the option is B. Let's see question number 3, which is when do we say that a bucket is bigger than a cap? Here we are comparing bucket with cap. In what parameters we will compare? Generally its volume. We are going to compare the volume of the bucket and cup. So see the first option, when the volume of the cup is greater than the volume of the bucket. Is it correct? No. Second option, when the volume of bucket is greater than the volume of the cup. This is what we read. So the correct option is 2. Right. Now question number 4. The level of water in a measuring cylinder is 12.5 ml. So let's see, this is a measuring cylinder used to measure the liquid, right? Volume of the liquids. So let us take, this is the initial volume. What is this level, which is 12.5 ml. When a stone is lowered, means just dropped in it slowly, so the volume is 21.0 ml. So you are dropping a stone in this gently. so that the water level has increased. Why did the water level increase? Because the stone occupies volume. So therefore, now this volume is 21 ml. The question is, what is the volume of the stone? So here volume of the stone is final level of the water minus initial level of the water, that's all, which is equal to 7.5 ml. So the volume of the stone is 7.5 ml. If you get the same answer, let me know through the comments box. Okay, now let's solve question number 5, which is given as a school hall measures 20 meter in length. So let me write what is given here. So length is 20 meter and 12 meter breadth is B is 12 meter. Then the area of the school hall we need to calculate. So area is how much? So we know the formula to calculate area. Area is equal to length into breadth, as it is a rectangle. Then substitute the values. A is equal to length is 20 and breadth is 12, which is equal to 240 meter square. Remember, the unit of area is meter square, as length is given in meter and breadth is given in meter. So the area will be meter square. So the correct option is option 3. Let me know how many of you got the same answer through comment section. See question number 6 now. A boy has purchased a toy which is in the form of a cuboid. Have you seen cuboid? It looks like this. So here the dimensions are given. So this is the length, breadth and height of the cuboid. So here length is given as 0.003 kilometer, breadth is 0.03 meter and height let us take as 3 centimeter. Now we have to convert all into centimeter. Since the answer is in liters, so from the centimeters easily you can convert into liter. So the volume formula, you know that, length into breadth into height, which is equal to, so 0.003 kilometer can be written as 300 centimeter times 0.03 meter can be written as 3 centimeter into height is already given in centimeter, which is 3. So the value is 2700 centimeter cube, which can be written as 2700 ml, milliliter. Already we discussed 1 ml is 1 centimeter cube, right? So from that, so now you can convert this into liter, so which is 2.7 liter. So the answer is C. Did you get the same answer, my dear, for this question? Oh, you're great. Now question number 7. The ratio of MKS to CGS unit of displacement. So the ratio of MKS to CGS unit of displacement. We know the MKS unit of displacement is meter and the CGS unit of displacement is centimeter. So displacement is nothing but length, okay. So which is equal to, I can write as 1 meter, I am converting into centimeter, which is 100 centimeter divided by centimeter. You can cancel centimeter and centimeter, so you will be getting the ratio as 100:1. So the answer is 2, which is very simple. Let's move to question number 8. Ramu walks 2 kilometers before coming to the starting point. So what's his displacement? So let us assume Ramu starts at this point A. Okay, he is moving here and there and roaming and coming again to the same point. So he walk 2 kilometers before coming to rest. Okay, before coming to the starting point. So this whole length of the path is given as 2 kilometer. Now we want to calculate displacement, not distance. So displacement is 0 since he reached the starting point. So the answer is option 2. Question number 9. A car moves 8 meter forward. So let's assume it is starting from this point A. It is moving in the forward direction first. Okay. It moves 8 meters in the forward direction and 3 meter backward. From this point now it is moving backward. How much? 3 meters. Now what is its distance and displacement? So the distance is nothing but length of the path traveled by the body, total length of the path traveled by the body. So which is 8 plus 3, which is 11 meter. So whenever you are calculating distance, simply add all the things, that gives you the distance. Now coming to displacement, displacement is the shortest distance between initial point and final point. So your initial point is A and finally you are here. So this is, let us take B. So how much is this one, which is 8 minus 3, which is 5 meters. So displacement is 5, distance is 11. So your answer is 2. Hope you got the same answer. Let's move to question number 10. A man has to go 50 meter due east. So let us take some reference point. So this is the reference point. Let's name it as A. From here he is moving 50 meter east. So this is east 50 meter and 20 meter south. From here he is moving 20 meters south. Okay, fine, and reached the field. Okay. So what distance he has to walk to reach the field? So distance is nothing but what I said, add all the things, simply 50 plus 20, which is equal to 70 meter is the distance. And what is his displacement? Displacement is how much? So displacement is nothing but the shortest distance between the initial point and final point. I say just you draw a straight line between initial and final points, that gives you the displacement. So let's find this displacement AB. So which is square root of 50 square plus 20 square, since it's a right angle triangle, right? So which is equal to square root of 2500 plus 400, which is root over 2900 meters. Further you can write this as root 29 times root 100, which is 10 root 29 meters. This is your answer. See question number 11 now. A truck moves 3 kilometer north. Let me take, this is the reference point. From here he is moving north 3 kilometer, fine, and 4 kilometer west. From here 4 kilometer west, this is 4 kilometer, right? What is the total distance and displacement? Again same, follow the same thing. Distance is nothing but total length of the path, which is 4 plus 3, which is 7 kilometer, and the displacement is the shortest distance between initial point and final point. This is your shortest one, so which is hypotenuse of the triangle, which is the length of the hypotenuse is square root of leg 1 square 4 square plus leg 2 square 3 square, which is square root of 16 plus 9, which is root 29. Its value is 5 kilometers. Clear? Hope you also got the same answer. Let me know through the comment box. Now question number 13. Okay, a man travels 3 meters along north direction. So let me take, this is the reference point, north is up, so which is 3 meter, and 4 meter along the east direction. From here he is moving 4 meters east. So this is 4 meter east. Now he is here at this point, and 8 meters along the west. From here west, so he is coming back. So 4 meters has come, another 4 meters has to move to make 8. So this is 4 meter. So here A is the initial point and B is the final point, remember. Right. What we have to find here, what is the displacement of the man? Very simple. So displacement means what I said, it is the shortest distance between initial point to final point. Here AB is the displacement. So it is a right angle triangle again. This is a right angle triangle and AB is the hypotenuse. So displacement value is square root of leg 1 is 4 square plus leg 2 is 3 square. So which is root 16 plus 9, which is square root of 25, which is 5 meters. Very simple. Question number 14. A boy starts moving along the circular path of radius 7 meter. His displacement after it has completed half revolution. See this. So let's assume this is a circular track of radius 7 meter. So which is R. He finished half revolution. So let us see, he starts from this point. Let us take this point as A and moving in the anti-clockwise direction. So all the way he moved to this point B, half revolution. So now we have to find out displacement. Right, displacement is again what? It is the shortest distance between initial point to final point. So here initial point is A, final point is B. Draw a straight line, that is the shortest one. This is the your displacement. So what is the length of this value? Which is the diameter, so which is a 2 times radius, which is a 14 meter. Very simple. Hope you also got the same answer. If you got the same answer, high five to you. Let's see question number 15. Reference to question number 14. If the boy moves uniformly with 4 meter per second, then his average velocity after half revolution is what? This is the circular track of radius 7 meter. Fine. He moves with the uniform speed of 4 meter per second. What is the speed of that boy? 4 meter per second. So with that speed, he covers half revolution. So means he starts at point 1 and all the way reached point B. Here he is asking what is the average velocity. So average velocity is nothing but displacement over time. So here displacement is equal to 14 meter. Already we have calculated in the question number 14. So we have to find time. That's the trick here. So to calculate time, we are going to use this speed, right? So time is equal to distance traveled divided by speed. So which is equal to, what is the distance traveled? What is the distance traveled here? Which is half of the circumference of the circle, which is pi r divided by speed is 4, which is pi value is 22 by 7 times radius is 7 divided by 4, which is 22 by 4. You can write this value as 11 by 2 seconds. This is the time. Now you can calculate average velocity, which is displacement by time. Displacement is 14 meters divided by time is 11 by 2 seconds, which can be written as 14 times 2 divided by 11 meter per second, which gives you 28/11 meter per second. So, the answer is option 3. Did you get the same answer, children? Oh, great if you get it. So, high five to you. This is our today's session, my dear. Hope you enjoyed. We will meet tomorrow with worksheet 3. Bye bye.